in a Panjim.
Nobody without mask behind.
Okay.
So last election,
Everybody mask.
sir, last election you got only one MLA. Before that you got 3 MLAs. Your strength is decreasing. Then how you are coming up and rebuilding the party in the Goa?
See, we are going to work at the taluka level. We will work at taluka level. We will work at the booth level, and we are going to identify all the constituencies and our workers in each constituency and start working for the next Vidhan Sabha election. We are in a good position to contest at least 7-8 seats immediately, but we want to contest, as Mr. Alamao and Mr. D'Souza said, as we have to have our own strength on the basis of which we will be able to contest. And I can assure you that we are going to be working with more seriousness than we have done ever in the past. In the past, unfortunately, because Congress used to give us very few seats to contest, that's why our party could not grow in other areas. But now we are going to make sure that our presence is there across both North and South.
Like Churchill has said, 20. You maintain that number or more than that?
Listen, he has said 20 or any number is not important. The real issue is we are going to prepare ourselves to fight on our own also, if need be.
Okay.
But if, as I said earlier in my speech, if a proper secular alternative to BJP has to be created in Goa, then all parties will have to be broad-minded, open-minded if they want to take on the BJP.
What will be your demand to the
We are
party?
not discussing anything today. We are concentrating, our focus, as you saw, is on our building our party. We have started the office, which was to start in February now. Because of Corona, you know, everything was closed. But we would have started this work much earlier. But now, in full seriousness, as I said, every month I will be in Goa. One senior minister from NCP, from Maharashtra, will be coming to Goa every month. There will be regular programs, not only in our few constituencies where we have been contesting in the past, but across from North Goa to South Goa, we will be covering all the constituencies.
If you take the national politics, like in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, where the Congress number of seats have drastically gone down, you think the time of Congress, those days have gone now?
See, I don't want to talk about other parties, except all I want to say is that these results of Bihar and other states are demonstrating very clearly that Congress and other parties must be broad-minded and understand the ground reality and take others along also.
Don't take them for granted.
Yeah, if you take others for granted, then this will happen. This problem of division of votes and not finding a proper alternative is always going to bother. My question is, why Congress, when they had 17 MLAs and 3 Goa forward, I remember because Vijay Sardesai was sitting in my house, he was ready to support. And we were giving our 1 MLA. At 21 MLAs, the government in Goa of the Congress led would have been formed. It is surprising to me that the Congress let go of such a golden opportunity, form the government, and then today, after 17 MLAs, only 5 MLAs remain of the Congress. It is not for me, it is for them to introspect what is going wrong.
Are you looking for a youth candidate in Goa?
Yes, we will field a lot of youth and women candidates, and we are going to work, I am telling you, in a very different manner than what you have seen in the past.
Sir, some BJP MLAs are joining to NCP. Is it true?
Many MLAs and many leaders of parties have been in touch with me in the last few weeks, and I can tell you that we are very, very sure that even if it comes to fighting our elections alone, we will have very good candidates, including some good sitting MLAs.
What makes NCP to be so geared up like they have never been before? Like you said, every month your minister will be coming here. Anybody will be there. These things were never happening in NCP earlier in Goa.
In the past, I told you, NCP used to contest very limited number of seats in association with the Congress. That is why we never focused beyond our traditional seats, and we never built our party across Goa. But now, because last time the way Congress, even tomorrow if the Congress doesn't do an alliance with us, we cannot force anybody.
Correct.
We should be ready to fight our own elections.
So how long you can wait for Congress this alliance or not?
We will keep option open to any party or people who are willing to join us.
No, within how many months before elections you would announce your candidates and all?
At least 3 months.
How many people are targeting NCP?
For 3 months.
At least 3 months before we will have to announce our name.
Sir, NCP, how many people are targeting for Goa?
40.
We are not targeting the people of Goa have to decide. That's not for me to tell. I cannot say on behalf of people of Goa what they will vote. I
Sir.
can only say that NCP will be
एक इधर
prepared
था।
to fight
Right.
in all seats.
Yeah.
If the situation so arises.
Sir.
I am not saying
No,
that we will
no,
not look
इधर
at
था।
like-minded other parties. We will definitely look at that.
सर बम्बई के अंदर है गोवा का कांग्रेस का और एनसीपी का अलायंस हुआ है अब शरद पवार से अलायंस हुआ है पहली बार ये अलायंस हुआ है लेकिन इसके पहले जो टूट पड़ी थी शरद पवार आईएनसी और एनसीपी टूट पड़ी थी क्या उसको वापस से मिला सकते हैं
बॉम्बे को वाला मेरे
हम बहुत खुश हैं, हमारी अलग पार्टी है, हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं
सन
और जिससे हम आपको यही कहना चाहते हैं सी एनसीपी हैज बीन अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पार्टी. लास्ट टाइम अलायंस वाज नॉट ब्रोकन बाय एनसीपी, इट वाज ब्रोकन बाय कांग्रेस, and therefore nobody should blame NCP for the breaking of the alliance. If they had contested with NCP in alliance, I am sure he would have also won. Churchill of course won, and we would have collectively crossed the 21 number.
Today in your speech, time and again you have mentioned Vijay Sardesai as a good friend. It seems like so Vijay Sardesai will be also with you all in alliance.
I have no problem if we all like-minded people, if we come together. He has met me many times. I am also knowing him well, and there is no harm if all like-minded people come together against the BJP. If the thought process is clear, we are ready.
Discussions have been there.
Sir, now on developmental ground, you just now criticize the Congress party. Then why you want to alliance with the Congress?
Who criticized?
I never criticize.
सर
Fact with to
I
not
only said
criticize.
facts.
Fact is
Then-
fact.
Fact will just keep it inside.
No, never.
And
Sir, 10 congressmen who
You
joined
not call criticize
BJP,
the
if
fact.
they join you
Developmental
now,
work.
can you promise them a ticket in upcoming assembly election?
Some things what we speak in private cannot be said.
But there are speculation. What he says is right. There are speculation. 6 of them
What
could
we
join your
speak
party.
What we speak in private, we cannot.
No, but they are welcome.
We'll see.
what?
Even one of
We will see on the basis of the person and on the basis of the larger public sentiment.
Okay, the current some 1 or 2 Congress MLAs are supposed to join NCP. If they are ready to join, we'll take them.
We will discuss all these things. Not today. Nothing is. As I said today, let me build my own party. I want to work. My colleagues want to work for the welfare of Goa. Take up the issues of public importance for Goa, and after that we will see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.